use saffron on your skin on a daily basis, you can expect your skin to improve quite a lot and look fresher, firmer, more glowing. Additionally, now we also know that saffron is a wonderful source of naturally occurring antioxidants like crocin and crocetin, which means free radical damage repair and control, which externally is seen as skin that looks absolutely beautiful. Saffron is able to decrease the activity of tyrosinase, which is this enzyme that is responsible for melanin production. So when saffron reduces the activity of tyrosinase, you can imagine how it can also reduce the appearance of dark marks, unevenness of skin, or discoloration. I'm going to show you our ROOP Saffron Bright Skin Potion. It's made with pure saffron and many other Ayurvedic herbs, extracts, and essential oils. All you need is to use 1 or 2 drops of ROOP morning and night for skin that looks ageless, fresh, and glowing at all times. If you're interested in booking a one-on-one skin or hair care consultation session with me, or if you have a question you would like to ask me, send me an email to sheetal@apsaraskincare.com. If you found this video useful and informative, don't forget to follow my page. And if you have a skin concern for me, don't be shy. Just use the comments field below to talk to me. If you can, include your skin type as well.